The double beat play-alongs below are classic exercises that can improve the sound quality of your threes and diddles, or even work on your endurance with exercises like short, short, long. When playing the double stops marked as B for both hands together, remember to look for consistency in not only the height of your sticks, but the speed or velocity of your playing so you can get an even popping sound, instead of a flam sound. When practicing with these play-alongs, use the timestamps in the description to select a starting BPM and let the video gradually speed up 1 BPM per rep. You can find thousands more free play-alongs using the link at the top of each video's description, or by using the drumline playlist in my channel's home tab. For tips on how to practice these play-alongs, see the drumming tips playlist for several hours of free drumming tips from someone who's been playing drums since 1998 and is an award-winning educator who has been teaching since 2003 and has a bachelor's, master's, and PhD in music education. If you have a question on how to improve your playing or teaching, feel free to leave a comment on my videos or in the chat during a drumming live stream. Friendly FYI that videos labeled as members first are for members who want early access to hundreds of videos that are currently scheduled to release daily to the public. Click the join button below if you'd like to become a channel member for early access to all of my content, but know that the best way that you can support me for free is to simply engage with and share my free content with other drummers, educators, or gamers.